Hi everyone. Hi, me and Bae. We just hit 7 months. I think he's gonna propose today. Like, oh my god, he's gonna propose to me today. Oh my god, tears. You see the tears? Oh my god. Oh my god. I have no words. Oh my god, look, there goes Bae now. Oh my god, Bae.
Yo, I can't do this.
Bae! Oh my god, you're so childish. Just talk. I already know you're gonna propose. Like, oh my gosh, just do it already. Oh my god, it's not gonna happen. Can I get the ring now? I already started planning the wedding. Yeah? That hurts. Can I use the ring now?
See what happened was.
I have to push the wedding back?
Way back, sweetie. Like
how far?
Like
a week? I want to laugh.
How about forever?
Huh? I understand. What do you think?
I know you know. For like 7 months you feel it, like you feel
yeah.
Me, but like
did the family problem come out? Sure. Are you going out of town for a little bit, so I have to push it back?
Like going out of town, like out of your life, you know, like gone. Like,
I thought you were gonna propose to me. No, I don't want it.
You hear KJ? She gonna cut their laws coming up by this little motherfucker. KJ.